Yo traders, what's good? Welcome to the channel. So I'm just going to get straight onto the charts and do my analysis because I got like under 7 minutes left until the New York Open. So this is the 5-minute time frame on NAS. Just going to quickly check US 30, micro Dow, so that's US 30. I'd say NAS is looking cleaner. This one looks a little bit more like consolidating. For anyone wondering, NASDAQ is my favorite pair. I've just been trading it longer, that's all. So yeah, I can see we're in like a bullish channel on a 5-minute time frame, and where I'm heading towards this area. So they're like the two obvious targets that's in plain sight. To see any more, I'd have to go out to the 1 hour and a 4 hour. So if anything, I'll just mark up the 4 hour support and resistance. That's the most clear to me. So it'd definitely be this area we're kind of in right now anyway. And they're the most recent targets, these two lines on the 5-minute time frame. I explain to people all the time, I just get these areas drawn up so I know where price is likely to go. So for me, this area on the 5-minute time frame is pretty clear. I don't even need to go to the 15-minute. Oh, that's a 3-minute time frame. My bad. Still, it looked pretty clean. So yeah, this is 5-minute time frame. It looks even cleaner. So you can see, do this every day. Just looking for them areas that it's bounced from. So if it comes back there, then I can either use this area as a target to get to, or I can use it to trade from, right? So anyway, I'm just going to keep it there. The most clear place right now to be broken, well, seeing as we're already kind of breaking this area pre-New York Open, then I'm just going to have to move it there. So that would be my cleanest area to break. And if it breaks, then I'm just going to use a tight stop loss and target the bottom around about there. Yeah, it'd be like this. And to be honest with you, get rid of these lines because I'll keep this one because it's the highest point, and it makes sense to target. The most clear next place to be broken would be there for me. So just got to wait it out now. But if it breaks there, then I'm targeting there, 1 to 2. And if it breaks down, then I'm targeting the bottom like you just seen. I'm going to stick to the 5-minute time frame as well because a lot of people in my comments are like getting a little bit mixed up why I'm in between the 1 minute and the 5-minute all the time, and it does get tricky because the 1 minute time frame is literally only for people who's been trading for a few years like me. I've been trading for 3 years now, so I'm used to the volatility and how sketchy it can look. But stick to the 5-minute time frame and wait for these breaks because they are cleaner. That's my suggestion for people who's just starting out anyway. So we got 10 seconds left now till the New York Open. I'm super tired today, that's why I sound so slow. But let's see if we get faked out today. So we just got to wait and see what happens, because on the 1 minute time frame, this is where people could easily be faked out now. You know, if you have your line there, people could have already entered and been faked out. So I'm sticking to the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, some momentum. So you can kind of see that is pretty much bang on my stop loss. That's how used to it I am now. So I'm in, but I understand that I could be faked out also. And I do tell people it's up to them then whether they want to just switch their position and go in the opposite direction if it leaves a wick, or just wait for the next clean break. That's completely up to you. But the way of just switching your position straight away without any real confirmations is more risky. But if it leaves a wick, then that's kind of a confirmation that it was just a grab. Right, fake out. Cool. Now we just need to see how the wick ends. Or if it just comes all the way back down, I could just re-enter. Maybe. See how it ends. If it ends strong, I'm going to re-enter. Yeah, I'm re-entering. Fucker. Price is sketching out today. I ain't going to lie. But the way this candle ended, it ended still strongly. So I do think it's going to come through. So yeah, I think that after this first 1 minute candle close, now we're on the second 1 minute candle. It's going to push through. Hopefully anyway. If it starts giving me some more momentum now to the downside and we get into profit, then I can add another like 2 micros, maybe 3, just to try and get that 1 to 3 or as much profit as we can towards the finish line. So we are starting to push. So when I can move to break even, then I can add more contracts. I'm gonna add 3.
Order filled.
So yeah, add another 2.
Order filled.
So now I'm at break even again, and it's pushing in my favor. Almost there. Just gonna hold it because I do think it's getting there. Boom, nice. All right, cool. So not the best, but still. So let's quickly go over what happened then. So we did get a break, and it was in the right direction. But look at this, pushing really nice now. So yeah, anyway, we get the break. Boom, up on my break line right there. Comes down, starts breaking, comes back up, wicks me out, but then finishes strong. Because it finished strong and was back there below the line, it closed there, like it's still closed on the break. So yeah, that was the reason I re-entered anyway, because I always explain to people who watch me regularly, I take 2 trades a day. Yeah, that's all I got to say on that trade really. So the best thing to do now is get off the charts and not look at this price absolutely melt, because it's not nice to look at when you know you could still be in it. But I got what I needed to get, and I'm done. Salute.